G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, it's been months since we've done this, and I've got to apologize to you guys. A long time ago, back in February, we started like the top 3 most underrated FPV videos out there. They were for people who all had under 1,000 subscribers. I wanted to bring that audience to you guys and expose some of you people out there to some amazing pilots making some amazing stuff. But then Rotor Riot sort of went and did the same thing, and they showed some of the same clips and all that sort of stuff. So it has been a little bit of a break, but I'm still seeing all the time on the Discord so much cool content that I think, well, it's a bit of a shame. It doesn't matter what Rotor Riot, if they're doing the same thing and doing their K Club or whatever, I still want to show you some amazing pilots. So that's what this segment is. This is the top 3 most underrated FP videos of the month, and I'm going to try and go with a bit of a theme. So this one's all about environments. So it's people just using a normal environment in some very, very cool special ways. So get ready to hit that subscribe button. The #1 video in this, I was absolutely blown away. I got chills when I was watching it. I loved it. So let's kick it off. Jump right in and look at the top 3 most underrated videos of the month. If you want to put your submissions in too, go check the Discord. There'll be a little channel down there, down below. Put your submissions in there because that's a great way for me to sort of see your videos, all that sort of stuff. But enough rambling here in the studio. Get ready to see some really, really cool stuff in 3, 2, 1.
Okie dokie, let's kick it off at number 3, the third spot, the bronze medal, SE FPV at 92 subs. Definitely very, very underrated for a great pilot and making some great content. Now look, I have changed the audio, but I'm going to put the links down to all these channels, these 3 videos. Go check them out. It'll be in the description. But what I love about all these clips, they just do something with an environment that, when it doesn't look too exciting to most people, but these people, they're a wizard on the sticks and they do some really, really cool things. Now I love the sunset. That's the sun colors in here. It looks amazing and he's flying. It's really, really beautiful. And for 2 trees, I think you've got to admit he's got some style. He's got some really nice flavor and some flair to his moves and to his video. And it's definitely just a nice, happy flying experience and otherwise seemingly sort of boring environment. I mean, there's not too many crazy hairpins or, a tight track or anything like that. It's just a bit of a field with 2 trees at one end and he is absolutely killing it. So definitely go check out SE FPV, 92 subs, definitely deserves a lot more. Coming in at the number 2 spot, so the silver medal, we've got Ta-Da at 600 subs, and this is more of this environment sort of flying, but what I like here is it's just one little, what do you call this thing, a pipeline or something like that. So most people, they're probably thinking, oh gee, where can I fly? I need a really big open park or something like that. I don't have too many obstacles. And look at that, you guys were waiting for that. I know. So I was sort of blown away when I saw that straight through the middle of the pipe. Very, very cool stuff there. So you don't need too much to make something special. We've just got a little pipeline here, this guy, and it is a 5-inch that he's ripping around. Absolutely the master of power loops and totally destroying it at such a, looks like a pretty abandoned looking place, but very, very cool for such a small environment, doing some really, really magic trickery right there. So look, this is just a short little clip, and he does hit that pipe a few times on the power line, goes through the gap in the middle. I'm a big fan, and definitely go watch the full video because it does go for a lot longer than this one. But now moving on to the top place, the gold medal, and you guys are going to absolutely love this video. So this one's from War Chest, and it's called Timeshift, FPV Timeshift. I don't want to say too much. I love the colors. Look at the beautiful time he's flying around autumn. It looks amazing. I'm just going to let it play. I'm going to stop talking. Subscribe for more FPV related content, all that other good stuff. Go join the Discord, put your links down below, and now enjoy this magical video because it really gave me goosebumps. Anyway, happy flying.